Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to name change in TikTok. So first of all, we have to go on TikTok. Then we have to go on profile. Select edit profile. And here you will see username. Just select username. Write your name over here. As you can see guys, I've written my name over here and now I'm going to save it. Just simply you have to hit on save and here you have to hit on confirm. Confirm your name and that's it guys. So this is how to name change in TikTok. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.